Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a timing belt on a Subaru Forester. First, ensure you have all the correct parts, including the timing belt, tensioner, and idler pulleys. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal. If your kit includes a new water pump, you'll need to drain the engine coolant now. Having everything ready saves time and prevents interruptions during the process. Now, let's get to the timing belt itself. Begin by removing the accessory drive belts, like the power steering and alternator belts. You'll then need to remove the crankshaft pulley bolt and the pulley itself. This often requires a special tool. Finally, unbolt and carefully remove the upper and lower timing belt covers to expose the timing components. Take your time to avoid damaging any sensors or wires. With the old belt removed, it's time for the new one. Crucially, align the crankshaft and camshaft timing marks perfectly before installing anything. Install your new idler pulleys, the tensioner, and the water pump if you're replacing it. Then, carefully route the new timing belt around all the pulleys, ensuring the marks remain aligned. Release the tensioner to apply proper belt tension. Double-check all alignments. Almost done, reinstall the timing belt covers, making sure they seal properly. Then, put the crankshaft pulley back on and reattach all the accessory components and drive belts. Refill your engine with the correct coolant and reconnect the battery. Start the engine and check for any leaks or unusual noises. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. This ensures your Subaru is running smoothly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.